We came to go to the beach and then it just started raining. And it looks like there's like a dust cloud. Florida for you. That is so crazy. I know. Those people are having the time of their life. No, it wasn't too bad. It was worth it.
Are you gonna hold the pizza?
Yeah, I'll hold it.
Or could I put it in the back seat?
Wow. So beautiful. That looks so cool, babe. It does look cool this way. That's cute. Oh my goodness, how cute. Hi guys, so today I'm making tiramisu and I wanted to share the recipe with everyone. So I'm going to be using 4 eggs, heavy cream, mascarpone cheese, and then you're going to want lady fingers. You're going to want coffee, so I use decaf. And then you're gonna also want vanilla extract, some kind of rum. I love to use white aged rum, and funny thing, they didn't have it in store when I went, so I had to get this little thingy, which it's fine. It worked the same because I used it last time. It's just the taste isn't like that same one that I love. So if you do want the other one, it's like called Cruzan, and it's the white aged rum. And then you're also gonna want some cocoa powder, and you're gonna want some dark chocolate, but we ate it, so I couldn't find it. And then you're also gonna want to be using some white sugar, well, granulated sugar, so like the regular stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the coffee first, because I want it to cool down by the time I start putting everything together. So I'll show you guys everything that I do. You're gonna want to make like right under 2 cups of coffee. I usually like do like a cup and 3/4 or whatever. So I don't have a coffee maker, so I make this with the sieve, which does the same thing, and I don't have to like have extra stuff in my kitchen. Could run downstairs because they do have espresso in our machine, but I like decaf, and I just honestly prefer the taste of it in my tiramisu anyways. So I'm just brewing up like a cup and 3/4, so just like right under 2 cups. And then you want to put in about like 2 splashes, so like 2 tablespoons of rum. Just gonna eye it, because it's fine if there's a little bit more. Might actually even put a little bit more. So however you are comfortable with, and no, this is not going to get you drunk. I'm just going to tell you that right away. But it does add in a very, very nice touch. Very good taste in there, so that's why I always use it. But I'm going to go ahead and just set this aside, throw this away, and then I'll show you how I make the cream. In here, you're gonna want to beat 4 egg yolks. Might get like a little bit dark in the kitchen because there's a hurricane coming to Florida, and I'm sure we're gonna get like some rain or something of it. I'm gonna go clean this up really quickly and wash my hands. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna grab a 1/4 cup of sugar, well, just like slightly less, toss it in here, and then I'm just gonna turn it on, That way it can start beating until like it becomes yellowy. Okay, so once it becomes this color, it's like a pale yellow, you want to go ahead and put it into a different container. So I'm just gonna put it into this bowl, and then you want to rinse out this bowl that you're mixing it in. That way it's clean for when you put in the heavy whipping cream. I just had my mixer like inside of the freezer for a second there. That way it can get a little bit colder. But you want to go ahead and combine 1/4 cup of sugar again into here, a splash of vanilla extract, and then 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. I like to cover this stuff up because I'm not about to be cleaning up like every single thing in my kitchen. You can throw a towel on top of that, but I go like a little bit above and beyond on it, so I like literally put so much plastic wrap all over it just to like make sure that it doesn't. This part took me less than 2 minutes, so make sure you don't overbeat it. And then you're gonna want to put in your mascarpone cheese into here because you want to combine everything together. And then be careful not to overmix. Okay, we're turning on the light just so you guys can see everything, but you're just trying to combine all of this stuff. So you're going to be mixing with your hand to combine everything else. So this is where you want to get the egg yolks out. As you can see, that's pretty thick. Let me set you guys up so that way you can see me mix it. It's funny because like at our place you can see through everyone's windows, so I just turn on the lights and like get everyone staring at me. But this is the egg yolk, and it's good that you put it into the freezer because it kind of thickens up. You want to just get this after you mix it. Nothing too crazy because you don't want to make it too watery, but you're just trying to combine it all together. That looks beautiful. Yeah, I'm gonna pop this into the freezer. I like to have like my presentation of everything kind of cute, so I'm gonna be using cocktail glasses, but you're more than welcome to put this in. Usually it fits into like an 8x8 kind of pan, 9x9 or whatever, would work too. I'm also gonna be using like this size on top of the other stuff because I'm gonna make this for him to take with him to work. That way I don't have to like take out the cute ones. I'm gonna take like a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons, and you're gonna go ahead and dust every single piece of container that you're gonna be using. So let me get another sieve. This is gonna become very messy, so I like to fully like put things in because I like it to be more chocolatey, and not everyone may like it that way. It's per preference. I do like to soak them up, I'm not gonna lie. I like it to be pretty moist, but you don't want it to break apart, so then grab it out as soon as you can. This one's gonna be for me. I like to use half of it up, so whatever I have in here, half sees it. And as you can tell, I do like my tiramisu to be very moist, so that means the cookies are moist. The cream will kind of flow on it and not be just like stiff peaks, so that way when you're eating it, you actually get like a very delicious taste. So just gonna go ahead and fill everything up. And then you're gonna want to just finish it off. Okay, just to show you guys like a close-up, so that's what it ends up looking like. And I do use a dark like special dark cocoa powder. I just think it like tastes the best. And it also looks beautiful, so. Look how beautiful all of this looks. See if I can focus on it, but it is just stunning. These look really cute to like present them and give it to someone. And they're actually really fun to eat out of too. I already ate one, but look at this. It's so beautiful. I'm sorry, I already opened up the window because I want to like get like any kind of wind in here, but so pretty, so yummy. I'm gonna go ahead and put all of these into the fridge, but make it, I'm telling you, it's gonna be your best thing you've ever like had. So good. We've been at the beach for like the last half hour. Just wanted to do a video really quickly, so I wanted to run up here, but it's so pretty, like so beautiful. And I feel like with the hurricane, the waves went really high up. I feel like all this was covered because it's been so clean, and there's like seashells all around and through. It's so beautiful. Collected like a few of them, but yeah, it's so pretty. Babe, those pink clouds go away so fast. Hey, what happened to my towel? Hi. These are so pretty. It's really cute. The colors. The colors are very cute. I love the texture of this one. Huh? Oi? Oh, look, the waves are getting a little bit stronger. This place is kind of cool. You can like touch stingrays and stuff. Maybe I'll make them for. Oh, you have to press it. Jeez. I would think they would make it thick.
Yeah. Oh, holy shit.
Oh, wow.
That was so cool, actually, right there.
Yeah.
I've actually never seen. Oh, it's raining. And you might not know.
I see it, yeah. Come on, swim.
That's cool.
Oh, it just did a turn for us. It's cute.
The hammerhead shark's so cool. Look at this one. Not literal, it's right there.
It's cute.
Oh, that's actually really cool. Holy shit, that thing's big.
Yeah, very good. I love them.
Good.
The smell of them is just so yummy. Good morning. It's my birthday. I am heading to the spa, and I just got my hair done like a few days ago. She went more on the ashier side with like the toner because I asked, but I love it. I might have to shower my hair today because I'm getting the massage and stuff, but I'm just wearing this. I'll probably have to show you guys when I actually get out of the car. This place is so cute. And this is so sweet. And this place is so cute. I'm gonna see if I can give you guys a quick tour, but this is where you can like chill and have that. They have 2 cold shower things, a sauna, and then they have this cool thing. It's a ice. It's a salt room. Look how cool that is. It does smell a little bit kind of like weed. But yeah, I wish I had more time here because it's actually so cute. So it's like a newer place that was built I just don't have that time. Because I have dinner reservations at 6 and it's already almost 4. Katie. Oh, I'm tired, baby.
You are?
Cutie. Let's go. Yeah, I think it's fine. It does not cook though whatsoever.
Huh?
It does not cook like.
For them to fall off.
Okay.
For them to roll off.